Hey everyone, I'm Dan Spada, and in today's video, I'm going to show you some simple ways to use Movavi Video Editor in your classroom. For those of you who are familiar with my channel, you know that I'm a big fan of video editing softwares, and I'm an even bigger fan of teachers using videos in the classroom. And today, I'm going to show you Movavi Video Editor Plus, which is a tool that you can use in your classrooms to create screencasts or create videos for your students. My absolute favorite thing about Movavi is that it gives users the ability to create a quick and simple video, or you can spend a little bit more time and create something that looks really professional. So first, let me show you. If you're a teacher and you have no interest in learning some of the more advanced features of a video editing software, let me show you how you can create a quick video. So from the main dashboard, you'll see an option that says Quick Video. So let's click on that. And then you can simply click Add Files and find the file that you want to use. So I selected two videos. One of them is the Jamboard video I created for my YouTube channel. And the other is a video that I created with my son for our father-son YouTube channel. So I just picked two videos that I had on my desktop. So now I'm going to select Next. And you can upload as many videos as you like. And then after you click Next, it's going to ask you what kind of transition you want in between all of your video files. So now I'll select Geometric Transitions. And you'll see that it gives you a preview of what that might look like. So we'll just select this. We'll click Next. And then if you wanted to add background music, you can do that. So you can preview it by clicking on the play button. So we'll just try Bright Future. So if that's the one you want, you would just click on the plus sign. You can select more than one if you'd like as well. So if you find the ones that you want, just click on the plus sign, and then we'll go to Next. And so again, this kind of walks you through step by step. It's almost like a wizard that walks you through uploading your transitions, your music. Here you can put any titles you want for the opening titles and end titles. And you'll see that it's uploading my video right now. So we'll give that a few minutes, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so now my preview is ready, so I'll click on the play button. Hey everyone, I'm Dan Spada, and in today's video, you'll see my video playing. You'll also notice the transitions that I put in, which were the geometric shapes. And the recent learning. So let's assume that that's perfect, exactly how I want it. We'll click Next. And now you can just simply save the video, or you can continue in manual mode. So if you want to go and make some more tweaks to your video, you can do that as well, or you can upload online. So if you choose to upload, Movavi will allow you to upload directly to YouTube or right to your Google Drive, which is nice if you're a teacher who uses Google Classroom. You can also save the file directly to your computer, or as I mentioned, if you'd like to edit it manually, Movavi will take your video file and we'll put it in the manual editor. So let's quickly take a look at how you would use the Movavi editor. So this might look intimidating if you've never used an editing software before, but it's actually quite simple. You have three main tracks here. You have your titles track on the top, you've got your video track in the middle, and then you've got your audio track on the bottom. So these are your three main tracks, and you can always add more. So if you want another video track, you can right-click and select Add Extra Video Track. And now you can do different overlays, different effects. If you have a green screen, you can do chroma keying, all different kinds of things. But let's quickly go through all of the Movavi features. From the top here, you've got your media bin, which is where you can upload different files. You've got sounds, which are built in. So if you want applause or any of these other ones, there's music. So they've got built-in audio files. There's sample videos. So if you wanted to use some of the sample videos, you can click on those and you'll see them preview on the right side. So you can fit those into your videos as well. There's different backgrounds. So if you wanted to upload drawings or text or pictures, or you can put a video right over that. Movavi does have some effect packages, and so these are separate purchases, but if you were interested in purchasing one of these, all you have to do is click on it, and then it will take you to the Movavi website, and then you can purchase those, and then you'll be able to use them in your videos. Continuing over on the left side here, there are different filters that you can use. So you'll see on the left side, they're broken down by type, or you can just look through all of them and you can just kind of scroll through. If you wanted to use one of these, it is as simple as clicking and dragging it down onto the video or part of your video that you'd like to use. So let me try to find one that will be easy for you to see. Let's see what Ghosts does. So if I click on Ghosts and drag that down to my video, now I'll play the video. And you'll see the ghosts kind of flying through the screen. So lots of really cool effects. You can kind of go through and play around with these. So again, this is a really great way to make your videos stand out, give them a little pizzazz, and keep your students engaged. You know, a lot of the students right now are spending many hours at their computers, watching different videos from teachers, and this is just a great way to keep their attention. And as you scroll through, you'll see there's lots of different effects, and you can kind of play around with these and find ones that you think will fit the theme and the style of your video. There are lots of different transitions as well. So when you click on one of the transitions, it will show you a preview in the right side of what that transition looks like. So you can kind of find one that you think will fit the style of your video. And then if you want to use that, all you have to do is just click and drag it down in between your videos. And then you'll see a preview in the top right corner here. Now it's kind of hard to see because it was the white screen and it looked very similar, but you could see how it twirled just like it did in the preview. And as I mentioned, you can go through and find all different ones, and there is an effects store that you can also find more if none of these fit what you're looking for. So there are lots of text tools. You can find all different things like intros, you can find titles, you can find different speech bubbles, all different kinds of text tools, lower third graphics. And to use those, all you have to do is simply click and drag, and then you'll see it kind of coming up in my preview. If I double click on that, I can edit any of the text, and then you can change any of the colors. A lot of this is very customizable. You can change the font, you can change the font size, the justification, bold, italics, underlined, the backgrounds, the outlines, how long the clip is up for, the speed, so all different kinds of things. Let's just click apply so you can see what that looks like. So we'll just play, and then you'll see it pop up on the bottom. So that's just one of the different types of text. You can kind of play with all these. You can see the credits, fly in, all different types of things, lots of options in there. And then there's lots of different stickers as well. So if you wanted to add some of these, they're really fun and good attention grabbers. And then some of the more advanced tools can be found using this bottom icon. So things like color adjustments, cropping and rotating, animation, chroma keying, so if you have a green screen or a blue screen. We won't get into too much of that in this video, but if you'd like to see me show you how to do some of those, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'd be more than happy to make a follow-up video that shows you some of the more advanced editing tools. But for this video, I just wanted to show teachers how easy it is to create something that will really make a difference in your classroom. So as I mentioned in several other videos on my channel, I really see the benefits in using video in the classroom, especially in a classroom that is either hybrid or is distance learning. And if you see the value in that as well and think that Movavi is a great tool that will really help you create either screencasts or create videos that will keep your students engaged and really excited to come to class, you can try it out for free. There is a 7-day free trial, or you can just purchase one of the different options If you are interested in purchasing Movavi, please just know there is a 20% off coupon in the description, so make sure you use that before purchasing. So as I've mentioned many other times on this channel, prior to becoming a teacher, I used to work professionally creating commercials for TV shows. And as soon as I became a teacher, I found immediate value in creating videos for my students. And over the course of this last year, since the pandemic started, I've been trying to preach to teachers how easy it is for them to create videos for their students that will really keep them engaged. And what I love about programs like Movavi is that you don't have to have any editing software experience to be able to create something that will really wow your students while bringing their attention to what you really want them to know. So I can't say enough great things about Movavi. So if you are interested in purchasing it, please use that coupon in the description below. Try to save every dollar that you can. And if you're already using Movavi, please let me know in the comments section below how you're using it and how much your students like it. And if you haven't already, please take a second and make sure you subscribe to the EdTech Show and click on that notification bell so that you get notified every time there's a new video. And if you haven't followed me on Twitter, please take a second and follow me at Dan Spada. And on Facebook at facebook.com/The EdTech Show. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.